Jussie Smollett refuses Chicago's $130K demand, Subtly threatens to file defamation lawsuit AG. Jussie Smollett will not have the city of Chicago sully his good name. The Empire Star's lawyer fired off an angry letter in response to the Windy City sending the actor a bill to recover the $130,000 it cost to investigate the hate crime. As we reported, in which those who file false claims can be fined up to 3 times the amount of damages the city sustains. Smollett missed but the 36-year-old isn't planning on paying a dime. In fact, he might very well file a lawsuit of his own against the city for what his team claims are attempts to defame him. In the letter, attorney Mark Garagos said Jussie will not be intimidated by Chi-Town's legal threat. He called the claim. Garagos also maintained Jussie's initial claims that he was the victim of an attack by 2 people shouting racist and homophobic slurs. After Chicago police investigated the actor's initial report, and Smollett was charged with 16 felony counts of disorderly conduct for allegedly paying the Osundero brothers to stage the attack on him. But in a surprise twist, Cook County enraging the city police department, a Mayor Rahm Emanuel, and basically everyone who was following the case on Twitter. The city issued the bill to Smollett 2 days after the hearing, warning that they might sue him if he didn't pay by Thursday. If the city does file suit, Garagos warned in his letter, then Smollett's legal team would demand to view all the evidence from the case, including the evidence that was never handed over to defense before the charges were dropped. Garagos also insisted that Smollett's team would have to question Mayor Emanuel and Police Superintendent Eddie Johnson if the city moves forward with the lawsuit, writing, "In light of their apparent vested interest in the matter, we are confident that Mayor Emanuel and Superintendent Johnson will not object to providing their testimony under oath." Mr. Smollett's. The letter went on to state that Smollett's attorneys would also want to take down a sworn testimony from the Osundero brothers, their attorney, and their attorney's husband. The Emanuel administration, meanwhile, confirmed that a lawsuit was being drafted for Jussie in Cook County Circuit Court as of Thursday. Only time will tell. Please complete the RECAPTCHA below to join our email list. Copyright 2019 Perez Hilton.com. All rights reserved.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot bar. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up.